striking against the new neoliberal government in Bucharest. And I mean, not against the sort of beginnings of that. So, you know, because the government was asking them to come to the capital and to, I don't know. Anyway, we were embodying a sort of tree cutters, so coming into the forest, and because of this was like an enchanted forest. I don't know why. And in this forest, the forest basically kills us. So we all disappeared. But I tell you a bit of a trivia, like why we died in the order of disappearing, of leaving the country. Because some of us parents were working in another country. So they were really like emigrating. And so everybody died in the film in the order of leaving the country. So this was the actual thing. Don't imagine something, it's like really bad special effects. So, yeah, I don't know, this is going a bit, it's like a tree coming and killing. We had like invisible strings pulled, you know, to have the special effects. Okay, eating like wood, eating like plants in a sort of street. This is like in a factory, having like a choir in this abandoned factory of the artist union. The artist union was very powerful in Romania. It was taking care of the artists in the sense of paying them pensions. It was paying health insurance. It was really very important. But after '89, it was completely destroyed. Or not really. It was neoliberalized, privatized, and so on. But anyway, compared to the standards of before and the kind of ateliers people could afford at that time, like afterwards they couldn't even pay nothing, like gas or light or something like that. Anyway, so this is here is another image. This is probably, I don't know if you know this building. Does it look familiar? It's this is the victory of socialism. It's the boulevard, and the building that you saw is the actual house of the people. Was the second biggest building in the world after the Pentagon, and it was made by Ceausescu for the people. But and it still hosts the Senate, or I don't know, the Parliament and the contemporary art museums, and so on and so on. Like 600 institutions are in this one building. But it's in a style of neo-Stalinist style, and it's really the most important thing in Bucharest. You know? And the guy is like, following and throwing a cake, like at some person on the street. I don't know if you can do this right now because there is so much police and there is so much, on that place. But in the 90s, it was somehow okay to do it. So this is the nature taking over. This again in this factory. I will show other stuff.